In this video, we are going to understand the loan extend feature. I'm not, this video is useful if you have background understanding of customer creation, loan search, and related features. Okay, so here I search customer, then I click loan and I select product. I enter 10,000. I click save. Loan number 93 is created. I'm going little fast actually, knowing fact that you are already using the software. So okay. Now here I have installment tracker. 29th is the last the end date here. Okay. Now what I want to do, I want to extend this installment by 2 months. Now why 2 months? Because the collection is monthly. Okay. In case I create weekly, then it will be 2 weeks. If daily, 2 days. Okay. Now as a result of this, what I want to do is 29 July installment should become only 300 interest because of lockdown. Then 29th August should become 300, and then 29th September. So this installment will be September, October, November, December, and Jan. Okay. So let's say I click extend and yes, I just refresh this. Now what happened? Installment number 1 to 8 as compared to 6, and 29th is 300 interest, then this is 300 September till Jan. Okay, and the end date is going to be 29 Jan. Okay, and now this is just the interest during lockdown. If borrower is willing to pay interest part, so interest. Now let's say you discuss with borrower and change this, you want to change this interest part. So what you can do, select here and change interest to, let's say, 200 and update. Okay, so this is 200, and then accordingly you can modify. Now let's say again there is a situation that you want to extend by 1 month. You select here and then extend by 1 month. Okay, now let's say there is a need to extend by 5 days. Okay, so what you can do, you can select this and extend by 5 days. Now you cannot use this extend feature here. What you can do is, now 5 days, so you can select 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so I select third, so change by 5 days. Now there are two options here. You want to change a specific installment, or you want to change this installment and all other and all cascaded installments. So I want to change all cascaded installments, so change by 5 days. Okay, now if I see 29th December, this 3rd Jan, then 29th Jan and 28th Feb. Okay, so I did 5 days in all uh, cascaded installments. Okay, now let's say I want to change this specific to, let's say, 31st Jan. So just simply change this to 31st Jan and click this change specific installment. Yes, and this 31st Jan. Now 28th Feb is the due date. So let's see, this is, I just refresh this, and 20th Feb. Okay, so I hope you understood now the feature of extend and this thing, and also update installment extend this one. Okay, now let's say there is a need that you want to extend this by 3 months with 100 only. Okay, so this 29th, yes, and here you can see that this 100 and then accordingly all other installments are modified. So you can manage this installment using these multiple options. Update installment in case you want to update the amount, the principal amount and interest amount for a specific installment. The GST, you can skip that, the financiers can skip this. This is used for some other line of business like a construction business or the automobile business who wants to sell the products on installment basis. Okay, so for them it is used. And here you can, okay, now extend is used when you want to extend a specific installment, add a gap or add multiple installments within between two installments. Now this change installment, if you want to change the due date of a specific installments, and this change and onwards, this is for the cascaded impact on the installments. All right. So to take effect of this, please, uh, in case you have any question or any issues, please get in touch with Jainam Software, and I will assist you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great time.